Mom, I can't speak long sentences in English.
That's okay, sweetheart. Tell me something simple.
I am hungry.
Good. That is a simple sentence. Now let's make it longer.
How?
Add a reason. Why are you hungry?
Because I didn't eat.
Very good. Now say it together.
I am hungry because I didn't eat.
Excellent. Now let's add more details. When didn't you eat?
I didn't eat lunch at school.
Perfect. Now say the full sentence.
I am hungry because I didn't eat lunch at school today.
See? Your small sentence became a big one. Say another simple sentence.
I played
When?
in the evening.
Where?
In the park
With whom?
with my friend Alex.
Now combine everything.
I played in the park in the evening with my friend Alex.
Wonderful. Now add feeling.
I played in the park in the evening with my friend Alex, and I felt very happy.
That's a long and beautiful sentence. Now say another sentence.
School was hard
Why was it hard?
because we had a math test.
How did you feel?
I felt nervous.
Now say everything together.
School was hard today because we had a math test, and I felt nervous before the exam.
Amazing! You are learning fast. Now let's learn to join two sentences together. Say two simple sentences.
I woke up early. I was tired.
Join them with but.
I woke up early, but I was tired.
Very good. Now add reason.
I woke up early, but I was tired because I slept late last night.
Excellent. Now let's use after and before to make this sentence longer. Say something about homework.
I did homework.
Add time word after.
I did homework after dinner.
Add reason.
I did homework after dinner because I wanted to finish it early.
Very good. Now say another simple sentence about weather.
It is cold.
Add detail.
It is very cold today.
Add reason.
It is very cold today because the wind is strong.
Add feeling.
It is very cold today because the wind is strong. So I want to stay inside.
Very good. Now try to express your opinion.
I like English
Why?
because it is interesting.
Add more.
I like English because it is interesting and it helps me talk to new people.
Add future idea.
I like English because it is interesting and it helps me talk to new people. And I want to speak fluently in the future.
That is a powerful sentence. Now talk about a bad day.
Today was bad.
Why?
My friend was absent.
Add feeling.
Today was bad because my friend was absent, and I felt lonely during lunch break.
That is how we express feelings clearly. Start with something simple.
I watched TV.
Add what you watched.
I watched a cartoon
When?
after finishing my homework.
How did you feel?
Excited.
Now say everything in one sentence.
I watched a cartoon after finishing my homework, and I felt excited because it was my favorite show.
See? You're speaking long sentences now.
Mom, I think I can speak longer sentences now.
Yes, you can. What did you learn today?
I learned that I can make sentences longer by adding reasons. Time, place, feelings, and by joining two sentences together.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. I will practice every day so I can speak English confidently.
That's my smart boy.